Hello everyone, Eileen Smith here, and in this video I want to share with you how you can create your sign up forms for your email list using Aweber. You know, Aweber has the free plan now, so let's just head over to our dashboard. Now, let's just do a quick review of the options that we have here. You can go to your messages, you can manage your subscribers, you can check out the sign up forms, which is what we're going to concentrate on today. You can create landing pages, which we'll talk about in another video. Then you can also get reporting. So let's just go over to the sign up form area. Now I have an example one that I want to show you. So let's just take a preview of that one. I've got an image up at the top. I've got a call to action there with a little tagline. Then also where they enter their name and their email address. And then there's a submit button. And we respect your email privacy down at the bottom. So let's head over and see how to create a sign up form. Up at the top of the page, you'll see the big create a sign up form button, and it asks you about sign up forms. Now, if you're in the free plan, you won't see the option for split testing. So let's just go into the sign up forms. Now, these sign up forms can be used on your blog, on the sidebar. You can even make a pop up, and they're really handy if you have a blog or a website. So here you'll see all the different elements that you can add to your form. You've got the header, footer, privacy. Let's just turn that one off. You can have powered by Aweber. You may not be able to turn that one off on the free plan. Okay, but here's a couple of other elements that you can add. You can also add an image. So let's just go ahead and do that. So notice now that on the form there says image placeholder. So we wouldn't want the image down at the bottom. We'd want it up at the top. So see how I just drug that up to the top. Now I'm going to go into the image gallery. I've got a couple of images here. I'll just add that one. All right, that's good for a tech blog like mine's. Now, if I want to add text, so I added that text in there, get updates from Miss Eileen. I could put a background in there. Set it up to match your colors. Then you can add padding to the left and right. And next we're going to go into step 2. Give your form a name. Call it my test. Now, the thank you page. You can just use the basic version. Let's just start off with that. And also, if you have a landing page set up, because you can set up a landing page to be your thank you page. I've grabbed the URL for the custom thank you page that I have. Let me just paste that in there. And it's up to you if you wanted to open this in a new window. So let's just preview what it looks like. Here's my thank you page for the YouTube Live checklist. And for someone who's already subscribed, then they would just get a notice that they have already subscribed to your list. And now we're done, and we'll click on Save Your Form down at the bottom, and then go to step 3 to install the form on your website. Here's the HTML code. Now in my case, because I'm using WordPress.org, I have the Aweber plugin installed. See that there over on the left hand side? And so I've chose the list. And if you have a free plan, you're only going to have one list. So you'll have that all loaded up in there. And then here's the tab for forms. So you go in here and you'll see the forms. Remember, I just made my web form test. Then I would go into appearance and widgets. And actually you'll see that I already have one installed here, but I will go in here and I'll change it, but I'll just put that in there so you can see. All right, we'll save that. And you'll see here is that form on my sidebar. With that, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will have more tutorials about how you can build your list with Aweber. I'm so glad that this free plan is available to you guys now, because Aweber has the best customer service. Then they also have all these other cool features that you won't find on free plans with other email service providers. So with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Stay beautiful.